The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northern Poinsett County in eastern Arkansas and eastern Craighead County in eastern Arkansas until 8:45 p.m. Tornado emergency for Poinsett and Craighead counties, including the town of Truman. At 8:02 p.m., Doppler radar and storm spotters were tracking a violent and extremely dangerous tornado near Harrisburg, or 19 miles south of Jonesboro. Radar showed this tornado moving south at 55 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Poinsett and Craighead counties, including the town of Truman. Take cover now. A violent tornado is on a direct path for western portions of Truman. Locations impacted include Truman, Brookland, Lake City, Bay, Monetta and Caraway. This includes the following highways: Highway 49 between mile markers 128 and 141. Highway 63 between mile markers 15 and 40. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If you are outside, get to shelter fast. Evacuate vehicles and mobile homes immediately.